Let's take a look at some student responses from number 6. Read carefully student A and student B's response, and then decide who do you agree with and why. Once you decide who you agree with, take notes on your paper about why you agree or why you disagree. Now share your answers out loud. Who do you agree with and why? I heard many friends say that they agree with student B and disagree with student A. Let's take a look at these responses. If you disagree with student A, why do you disagree? I heard you say that you disagree with student A because they think the denominator should be 24. Even though there are 17 parts shaded that we're referring to, the denominator cannot be 24 because the denominator tells us the total number of parts in one whole. In one whole, we can see that we do not have 24 parts. Why is 17/8 what student B said? Why is 17/8 the correct fraction to describe the shaded amount? Why is 17/8 the correct fraction to describe the shaded amount? I heard you say that 17/8 is accurate because the denominator is 8. The denominator tells us the total number of parts in one whole, and we can see that we have 8 equal parts in one whole. The numerator of 17 makes sense because we have shaded 17 parts that we're referring to or describing. How can you use the unit fraction to avoid the mistake that student A made? Remember, student A got the denominator wrong because they added all of the parts in all 3 wholes. How can you use the unit fraction to avoid the mistake that student A made? Say your answer out loud. That's exactly right. I heard you say that you can find the unit fraction first and then count by the unit fraction to figure out the amount shaded. This is such a smart strategy because the unit fraction helps us figure out how much each part represents. We can count by the unit fraction of 1/8 17 times to get 17/8. Whenever you are stuck in having a hard time identifying the fraction shaded, you can always identify the unit fraction first and then count by the unit fraction to help you figure it out.